Our purpose in SSE and distribution is to power communities to thrive today and create a net zero tomorrow. And the Islay project is a fantastic example of this purpose and practice. This reflects a £14 million investment in the local electrical infrastructure, which will strengthen the network and thereby reduce the potential for power outages during extreme weather events on the island. It's also given us the opportunity to increase capacity, whereby this will allow people within the local community to take advantage of that, whether it be to install electrical vehicle chargers in their driveways or electrical heat pumps in their homes. It also allows us to support the growth in the local whisky industry as they look to decarbonise their operations through the use of clean energy. The scope of the project has involved building 12 kilometres of overhead line between Bowmore and Portaskeg substation and a further 16 kilometres of overhead line between Bowmore and Port Ellen substation. In addition to that, we also took the opportunity to underground 6 kilometres of cable within those sections where poles weren't an option. In addition to the overhead line and cabling work, we've also carried out network reinforcement work at Bowmore, Portaskeg and Port Ellen primary substations through replacing existing and installing additional primary transformers and associated switchboards. The project also included the construction of a new multi-million-pound switching station at Knocklearach that provides us with better flexibility for fault switching and supply restoration, as well as improved voltage regulation on the island. All of this work will future-proof the network as we look to accommodate the increase in demand from future housing and distillery connections on the island as we all work together to deliver on our net zero ambitions. Through delivery of this project, we are really starting to power change on Islay, and through working together with the local communities, we will leave a positive and lasting impact in society.